In this video, we'll have a look at Donoghue and Stevenson's case law. On the evening of 26th August 1928, Donoghue and her friend went to a cafe. Her friend ordered a Scotsman ice cream tumbler and ginger beer for Donoghue. They poured the ginger beer on the tumbler of ice cream from a brown opaque bottle labeled Dr. Stevenson Glenlyn Paisley. Donoghue drank some of the ice cream float, then they poured the remaining ginger beer on the tumbler and a decomposed snail comes out of the bottle. Donoghue claimed that she got diagnosed with gastroenteritis after that. This case established three major legal principles. First legal principle is negligence is a tort. A plaintiff can take civil action against a respondent if the respondent's negligence causes the plaintiff injury or loss of property. The second legal principle is duty of care. The manufacturer had a duty of care towards the final consumer. The last legal principle is neighbor principle. You must not injure your neighbor.